Now we are going to see the story The Wind and the Sun. Here you can see the wind and the sun. The story is about three characters. There are three characters in the story. They are the sun, the wind and the man. Now these two dots are red says while reading. जब हम एक two dots read कर रहे हैं पढ़ रहे हैं उनको says बोलना है. Wind says, Sun, can you see that man walking down the road? The wind is saying to the sun, Sun, can you see the man? He is walking down the road. I can get his coat off. I will get his coat off. You will remove his coat off. So I will do it. And I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. Now they are keeping a race between them. The wind is saying, I will make that man to remove his coat off. Now sun is smiling. You can see the smiley face of sun. Sun smiling says, we will see who is stronger. Now they are thinking that who will be stronger? The sun is stronger or the wind is stronger? The sun says, we will see who is stronger. I will let you try first. So the sun said that, now let's see who is strong. And while saying, I will give you first chance to see it. So now its first term is wind. Wind is puffing his cheeks and blowing hard. You can see here. You can see here cheeked puffs. Cheeks are puffed and the wind is blowing like this. So sound is coming. The man says, now when the wind is blowing, man says, how strong the wind is today. The man is saying, how strong the wind is today. It is blowing my coat away. The man's coat is blowing away. उड़ रहा है उसका coat. So the man said, it is my coat is blowing. The wind is very strong today. I must hold it tightly. The man is saying that my coat is blowing. So I must hold my coat. This is man's coat and the coat is blowing because of wind. So the man is holding his coat very tightly round himself. Now next see. Now wind says. Now wind is blowing very hardly. बहुत जोर की हवा चल रही है. Now you can see man is holding his coat very tightly. Man pulling his coat more tightly and says, how much cold it is. The man is saying, the weather is so cold today and wind is blowing very hardly. So now wind says, Sun, then too. So when the wind is blowing, wind was thinking that I will remove the man's coat off. But because of wind, the man is holding his coat very tightly. So now there is no chance to remove of the coat. So now the wind is saying that, Sun, I give up. मैं हार गई. I cannot get his coat off. So मैं उसका कोट नहीं निकाल सकी. मैं अपनी हार मान लेती हूँ. So now sun says, now it is my turn. Now sun said that it's my turn now. First turn was whose? Winds. The first turn was winds. Now it is turn of sun. Now sun says, now it is my turn. Let me try. Now man says, what a fun. And when sun said that it is my turn, now sun is shining very hardly. So much, बहुत सारी धूप है वहाँ पे. तो sun is shining very hardly. Man says, what a funny day. आज कितना funny day है. Before some time it was so cold and now it is very hot. Sun says, I will make him feel hotter and hotter. Now the sun is shining very hardly. There is so much sunlight, strong sunlight is there. So the man is feeling very hot. The sweat is coming and he is feeling very hot in his tight coat. So the man removed his coat because he was feeling hot in that coat. So because of that that the man removed his coat and man says, I must take off my coat, and वो अपना कोट निकाल लेता है. So sun says that wind, I have won. So who has won? Sun has won. उनकी क्या रेस लगी थी कि कौन उसका कोट निकालेगा. तो wind was thinking that I will blow hardly and I will remove his coat off. But the man, because of wind, the man was holding his coat tightly, so the wind did not win. Who won? Sun won. Sun said that I have won. I have made him take off his coat. So this is the story, and these are the new words of story. So this is your homework. Road, coat, quickly, stronger, cheeks, old. So you have to write new words of this lesson.